All right, folks, we are here for another wonderful property tour. This time we're checking out a brand new build in the Fairfield neighborhood, which falls within the city of Victoria. This property was built by Patriot, who is a well-known builder here, won multiple awards throughout the years, and it's listed by our friends over at Engel Volkers and the agency. Now this is a 3,600 square foot home, and within that 3,600 square feet, you're gonna get 4 beds, 3 baths, and even a 2-bedroom suite. Now, as you can see as we go throughout the video, you get tons of natural light. You got speakers built throughout the home. When we shot this, it was about 1:30, and you can see that the backyard is absolutely soaked in sun. Well, why don't we go have a look? This home was built to a step 4 of the BC step code, which means that it got one of the highest levels of efficiency for energy. And this home was built with an ICF construction, meaning an insulated concrete forms. Now, as we loop into the 4th bedroom here, you can see that the stager has got it set up as a den. But as we turn around, we can take a look that it is a true bedroom because we've got a closet there. And it's actually a good size. They came in at 12.2 by 13.2. As we loop around the corner, we'll take a look at the coat closet here. Of course, organizers up top and shoe slits down below. What I like that the builder has done here, as we look into the main powder room, they put in a walk-in shower. That's gonna be great, of course, because if you are having somebody stay in that 4th bedroom and they're using it as a true 4th bedroom, they don't have to trudge all the way upstairs to have a shower. Here is your mudroom and laundry area. Good use of space, side-by-side washer, meaning you got that bench up top, shelving up above, and a sink right next to it. And as we slowly turn around, we're gonna flip around us and have a look at that single car garage. Another thing that I really liked about this home that the builder thought of is that the heat pump is actually on a 2-zone controlled system, meaning you could have your main floor and your upstairs heated separately. And take a look at all that sun in the backyard. Yes, the grass does need a trim, but the exterior is actually wired for security cameras as well. And look at that kitchen. I mean, it's beautiful. What I really like that they had done here as well is the quartz countertops. They've matched it with the backsplash, so there just seems to be that seamless transition running up the wall. And also look at that fridge. So you've got two 24s on either side, so you got 48 inches of fridge and freezer combo. Always love a good pot filler. And another cool feature we're gonna get up to in just a moment is, who doesn't love a coffee maker built right into the wall for you? A really nice feature. It doesn't seem like it makes a big difference, but just having those ceilings vaulted like that really allows that light to come in. The other thing I didn't mention as well is when you're looking at that ceiling, and you can kind of see it right there, is instead of having just blank flush wall, the builder put in a little bit of a feature wall and ceiling to really kind of accentuate the feeling of the home. And as we head upstairs, we're gonna take a look at, of course, the 3 bedrooms, but also you have a 4th room, which they're calling the family or media room. This one doesn't have a closet, but you do have your true 3 bedrooms upstairs. Here, of course, is the main bathroom on this floor. This is the media room, so it's a great size. It's 12 by 2 by 15.7. As you can see right up top there and throughout the main floor as well, you do have built-in speakers throughout the main living areas. This is one of the bedrooms. This is bedroom size is 13.2 by 13.4. Of course, like I mentioned earlier, all closets do come with some great organizers. And into the middle bedroom, second bedroom you could call it, because it's right off of the primary. A little bit smaller than the one we were just in at 11.6 by 10.8. And here is the primary. Look at that paneling along the side, similar to what you saw down in the dining room. Good sized primary bedroom, 14.5 times 14.2, and you've got 11-foot ceilings in here. Quite standard nowadays, having the quartz countertops in the primary bedroom, and of course with the partner sinks, the floors of course are heated, and of course there's going to be a soaker tub when we flip around here. And we'll fast forward here and head on down to the suite. So you do have a 2-bedroom suite here, like I mentioned in the intro. Right now, as of January 2024, average rental rate for 2-bedroom suite is about $2,700. Take a look at it. You do have your own separate access there. It does look like it's pretty tight, but you can see that you do actually get a fair amount of light coming in. Here's the second bedroom. So this bedroom is a 10'2" by 10'2", and we'll take a look in the closet there. And you'll notice that even in the suite, you get your closet organizers. Your main bedroom down here, a little bit bigger at 11.9 by 10'7". And that's the tour. We hope you folks liked it. If you do have any questions in regards to this home specifically, or any other homes in the neighborhood, or even what the market is doing, please don't hesitate to reach out. On top of that, if you did like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, for not only do we do these property tours on the regular, but we also have some other great content. Thank you so much.